everyone, welcome back to Vani Vision. So hope you all are doing well, and I'm back with a new concept, that is square root. So we are discussing about square root only, right? From so many videos, like so many days we are in square root only. So up to now we have discussed about how to find out easily square root of infinite series. Now we are going to solve square root of a number. Like see, example I'll give you square root. Our topic is about square roots. So I just want to make you people to do the square root series problems in easy way. Okay, square root of a series. Clear? So example I'm giving root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. Okay. Now there is no infinity series here, infinite. So for this, only one small trick is there. That is the formula I'm giving you. The base. Everyone know the base, right? Base to the power of 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. So by using this formula, we can find out for anything like root 5, root 5, root 5, root 5. Clear? Or else root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7. Clear? Just n means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. N value will be 4 here. Okay. Now you substitute your base will be what? Our root. Number in the root. That is 2. 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 by 2 to the power of 4. That implies 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16. So 16 minus 1 by 16. So 2 to the power of 15 by 16. Clear? So in this way, we are going to find out for, see, only the concept, only the thing you have to remember here, what? They are same numbers. All are same numbers here. So when a series is of same numbers, at that time you can use this formula. By using this formula, you can easily find out the series solution. Okay? And the formula is what? Base to the power of 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. Clear? I think so. I have clearly understood the concept. Easy. Clear? It's very, 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 very easy. Just remember this. So as I said, everyone should note your formulas. Everyone should note down all the formulas for how I have given like products and for addition, subtraction, positive, negative, negative, positive, and this one. Clear? For a series if they are having the same number. So in that way, all the formulas you note it down, then it will be very useful for you. All the time the reference part will be good for you. Clear? And then hope you understood the video and comment to me. I'll be waiting for your comments and watch the video till the end and stay tuned to Vani Vision. Thanks a lot.